Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to Amavenzo TV. It's the CAF Champions League. Orlando Pirates 3, Lupopo 0. I'm joined by Quick One. Hey, Steve.
Yeah.
Ay, Pirate ya tagata. Abang tola irregular wa igona.
Yeah, Joa.
Yela last minutes.
Yes. Yes.
But I've said it
Yeah.
a day before today.
Barre.
For Pirates, uchwara washo at escotini
Yeah.
koncekunyo.
Yeah.
Wabona Pirates.
Yeah.
If they don't win a league this season,
Yeah.
they must just forget
Ka you win ha.
because they are the most competitive team right now. Steve, the reason why I was supporting Pirates for the first time, and it's a heartbreaking loss,
Yeah.
is because if you look at the bigger picture of it,
Yes.
if Pirates excel in CAF,
Yeah.
then you are rest assured that the economy of Orlando Pirates and South Africa grows.
Yes.
They're going to employ more people from around.
Yes.
It might be your sister, the sister of this brother, or the brother of yours.
Joa.
Indirectly, so we are benefiting.
True.
It is for that reason I was supporting them.
Yeah.
And if you look at Lilepo or Lopo or whatever it was,
Yeah.
that was from DRC.
Yeah.
They used the tactics of unfair play, of which we must condone it because we are the ambassadors of fair play.
That's true.
We should not rejoice when someone's benefit because of a wrongdoing.
Yeah.
Because tomorrow it will gonna tarnish the name of football.
Joa.
We are at the level that we want to compete with UEFA.
Yeah.
But with the mentality of those African brothers that they display in the field of play, we are still far.
Yeah, va.
We are still far.
Va.
So hard luck to Orlando Pirates, and I want to convey my message to Dian Hoto and the other guy who missed the penalty.
Yeah, yeah, Mutu.
Putuma.
Mutu.
It is the most difficult time for one who failed to make it.
Yeah.
But it is not the end of the world. After every tunnel, there is a light.
Yeah.
They just need to soldier on and remember that they have a Carling Black Label game on Tuesday that they need to go and play.
Yeah.
We are very, very blessed today to have witnessed the magic of Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
Sekusele kancane.
Yeah.
The chemistry, the vibe.
Yeah.
Whenever it says 80 minutes,
Yeah.
you can tell that Orlando Pirates, it is the pride of South Africa.
Again.
It is the pride of South Africa.
Again.
Stivo, ereko kubuthi. Abantu bonke umhlaba jikelele.
Yeah.
Batho ka moka lefase ka moka
Yeah.
le amengwa. Ka mswana. The road block. Stivo, ka mswana a o tlele tša go ja, a o tlele tša go nwa. Sophuza ulilepo, sophuza umduduzi shabalala.
Yes.
Paper 2 a o sa passa physics le maths.
Yeah.
O tlo ba le gona ya tlo go phasisha
Joa.
Mfundo Vilakazi paper 2. Paper 2. I'm sorry I win, Steve. I'm sorry I win. And I'm manjwa mafelela. Pirates. Yo chia Savannah.
Yeah.
Makezi yo chia Black Label.
How is seven?
E ka sa e bone Black Label.
Parents.
Awa.
Never.
And I go
Never.
I want to Sundowns this year. Ngalang fast. Your future number 3.
This season.
This season,
Mamelodi
Pirates is going for number 1. Balam Tarat.
Yeah.
Pirates number 1.
Not number 2, Steve.
Motu Amuch. And a Nick. Afata Aqua.
Yeah, Joa.
Pirates. Yeah, ho.
Tango Kikwa.
Danke.